how to use reshape package 2 and the dcast function. So quickly, I'm setting up my working directory and importing a data set with name long data. So the reason why it's long, because it's in a longer format. So data consists of sales of a store for each category in a particular week. For example, the first row is for store 1 category A, sales for week 10 is 101561. Right now I want this data to be transposed in such a manner that I in the final output I get week as first column, store as second column, fourth third and fourth column will be category, which is A and B. Right now there are two unique categories, right? And numbers in between those cells would be the number of sales metric, right? So in order to do that, I need to install a package called reshape 2. So right now this package is already installed on my system, so I'm skipping this step and just reloading the package. Now the function to transpose the data, which is to transpose the category to columns, is dcast, right? This is the function of reshape 2 package. Now the first argument is the name of your data frame, which is long data. Second argument is a formula, which is, first thing is that the level at which you want the output to be in your final data set, which is first column store or week, second column week or store, and so on. Then there's tilde sign, and then the name of the variable which you want to transpose in multiple column instead of one column, right? And the third argument is value dot var, the value which you want to fill in the cells, which is sales metric, right? Once I execute this code, let me just quickly show you. So see here the long data consists of 16 observation. Now this has been reduced to 8 because there are two categories present, and now those categories are present in column 3 and 4, and the numbers in this particular cell are the number of sales metric or sales column. Now what if you want to aggregate the data, right? Instead of having the week column, you want the sales number at a store category level. So stored will be your first column and category will be in column 2 and 3, and number between or numbers filled in those cells would be the number of sales. So just you need to remove week here because week is no longer a level in the data. Category will remain as it is, value.var will remain as it is, which is sales. And then there's another argument called func stand for function dot aggregate and is equal to sum, right? So right now I'm aggregating the numbers, summing up the numbers of at a store and category level. Once I execute this code, now I am left with only two records, two rows. Store 1 category A, your sales number for those weeks are this. Store 2 category B, sales number for those weeks is this, right? I hope you like this video. Thanks a lot for watching.